Story time, ride with me. I get done filming, working, I open up my phone, open up Instagram, and I have several messages. One of them is a simple question that says, "Hey man, love your work. Does trimming your beard make it grow faster?" I said, aha, I got you covered. Let me go to my channel, let me search for my video where I cover this, and I was shocked. I do not have a dedicated video answering this question. I have one about shaving. I've talked about this on live streams and probably little tidbits on this video or that video, but there was no dedicated video, so that means I need to make one. We're gonna do this right now on this common question. If you guys are excited or you find this valuable, hit a thumbs up, that little like button right down below for me. I do appreciate it. To answer, no, not at all. Trimming your beard does not make it grow faster one bit. Now, I have had a video where I dedicated the idea of shaving, right? We know that is a myth. Shaving your beard over and over again does not help the growth. If anything, it can only hurt the growth. And the reason why it's a myth is because people will shave for years, they'll stop shaving and say, oh my gosh, my beard is better now because of the shaving. No, it's better because of the years that passed. You got older, you had better genetics. That's a big factor. Then another one is when you shave, the beard hair is the thickest at the shaft. It's the thickest where it meets your face. And so when you cut that hair off, it looks really thick and like it's coming in better, when in all reality, as it grows, it just thins out a little bit more and more. Well, our answer to today's question, trimming, not shaving, is similar but not exact, and I will explain after I introduce myself. My name is Dan. Just want to say thank you guys. That's it today. Just simply thank you. If you're new here, consider subscribing if you feel like this channel is going to be valuable to you. So to dive in, the reason why trimming does not make your beard grow any faster is our beard grows from the base. It grows from the root, the follicle, where the hair meets the face, however you want to describe it. It grows from here, not down here. When you cut the hairs, they do not know up here that it's happening. It's just like clipping your nails. There's no communication. There's no nerve endings. There's no pain signals. There's no warning. Nothing like that. It just simply is getting cut and your beard continues to grow. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't. I recommend everybody trim their beard. If you have commitment problems, maybe go for a year and then consider trimming after that. But trimming your beard can be good for the appearance. It can be good to get rid of damage like knots, split ends, thinning ends, and just overall getting rid of things like transparency, where it starts to thin out and doesn't quite look as good. I think trimming is fantastic, but it does not make it grow faster. It doesn't even really make your beard technically healthier. Those beard hairs are the same. The one exception to that last rule would be getting rid of split ends. If you have a split end, you do need to trim it off. Why? Because if you don't, it's going to continue to split, and what that's going to do is it's going to start to grab onto other hairs. It's going to start to create knots. It's going to start to create tangles, which can create breakage. And if it splits all the way to the base, all the way to the follicle, you can destroy that hair at the root, and so it will never come back again. So to not drag this out, guys, no, there is no benefit of beard growth when you trim your beard. Let me know your questions. Should I dive deeper? I don't really know what there is to dive deeper on this, but I wanted a searchable video. I wanted a shareable video. So if somebody asked you this question, now that we're in beard season, woohoo, let's go. Share this video with them. I do appreciate it, you guys. Thank you again for watching. One more time, my name is Dan C. Bearded. Please listen up here. Stay bearded and stay positive.